Want to know how to use AI for creative ad copy testing? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can streamline your ad copy testing process and why it's the best way to test your ads for better results without wasting time or money. First off, if you've been struggling to test different ad copy variations quickly and effectively, AI can be a game changer. Traditional methods are often time-consuming and not always scalable. With AI, you can test multiple versions of your ad copy almost instantly, which means faster decisions and better performing ads. Here's how it works. To start using AI for creative ad copy testing, you'll first need to upload your ad copy into the software. This can be anything from text to specific keywords or even tone variations that you want to try out. The software we'll be using analyzes your copy and then creates different variations based on various parameters. This includes experimenting with things like length, phrasing, or emotional appeal. Basically, it takes all the guesswork out of testing. Once the AI generates these variations, you can have it predict which one is most likely to perform best based on historical data and patterns. It doesn't stop there. AI can also suggest improvements, such as tweaks to make your copy more compelling or add call to action phrases that boost conversions. And the best part is, this entire process happens much faster than traditional A/B testing. Now, one of the coolest features of using AI for creative ad copy testing is that it doesn't just run tests on one platform. You can use AI across different channels like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, or even email campaigns, so you're not limited to just one testing ground. You can compare how different ads perform in real time across different platforms without manually tracking each one. But let's talk about real results. By using AI to refine your ad copy, you're not just speeding up the process, you're actually getting more effective copy. The AI analyzes thousands of data points and learns from them, making sure you're optimizing for the highest ROI possible. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've linked an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it before it's gone. Key takeaway: AI is the future of creative ad copy testing. It saves time, improves your copy's performance, and eliminates guesswork. To make the most of it, upload your copy into the software, let it generate variations, test them across multiple platforms, and refine based on real-time performance. It's the smartest way to make your ad copy more effective. Quick recap: we've gone over how to upload your ad copy into AI software, how it generates variations, and how it predicts the best performing ones. And remember, grab that exclusive free trial from the description below to try out this powerful software for yourself.